हेलो दोस्तों, मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूं फाउंडेशन क्लासेस ऑनलाइन चैनल पर। सो टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट क्लास 9 चैप्टर 1, that is number system. So today onwards we will study together the topic called number system. Okay friends, in number system first of all we will study natural numbers. The numbers which are used for counting. The numbers, देखना दोस्तों ध्यान से, वो नंबर जिनका उपयोग हम गिनने के लिए करते हैं. The numbers which are used for counting. ठीक है, वह नंबर जिनका उपयोग हम गिनने के लिए करते हैं. ठीक है, it is denoted by capital N. Okay, so here we will see n is equal to those number which are used for counting. Whenever we start counting, जब भी हम गिनना चालू करते हैं तो हम कैसे गिनते हैं? 1 2 3 4 5, just like that. So the natural number will be 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. 1 2 3 4 5 and so on up to n, where n is a natural number. Okay, n can be any value. Friends, now we will see the properties of natural number. If we add, here we will take first property. If we add two natural numbers, then we get the result as a natural number only. Okay, suppose we will take some examples. If we add a number 2, which is a natural number, and number 3, then the summation will be 5, which is a natural number. So summation of natural numbers will always be a natural number, okay, that is our first property. Now second property is that subtraction of natural number, it can be a natural number or it cannot be a natural number. It can be a natural number or it cannot be a natural number. For example, here we subtract 2 from number 3, then we get 1, which is a natural number. But if we subtract 3 from 2, then we get -1 as a result, which is not a natural number. Okay, so that is our natural number. Then we will discuss whole number. Next topic we will discuss whole number. When we adjoint 0 with natural number, then it is whole number. ठीक है, okay friends, denoted by W. So whole number will be equal to summation of 0 plus all the natural numbers up to n. Then our third point will be integers. Here we will take all the numbers, that is sum of all positive number, their negative values, and 0. What is integer? That is sum of all positive numbers, their negative values, and 0. This all will be together called integers. Okay, we denote integers by Z. z is equal to minus n up to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, up to n. All the positive numbers, their negative values and zeros together called integers. Okay. Now we further subdivide integers as positive integers, which is denoted by z plus. Here we will take all the positive values of integer 1, 2, 3, that is also equal to natural numbers. Okay. Then we will take negative integers. So here we will take all the negative values of integers, that is minus n up to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and so on. These all values are negative integers. Then we will take non-positive integers. That is also very important for future classes. Non-positive integers. So here we will take only negative values of integer, that is minus n. Here we will take all the value of integers which are not positive, minus n, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. See friends, here 0 is not included in this negative integers, but in non-positive integers 0 is included here. Okay, then we will take non-negative integers. In non-negative integers we will take 1. In non-negative integers we will take 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to n. Okay, so these are all non-negative integers. Now we will see our next topic of numbers, that is fractions. What are fractions? Fractions, the numbers which are represented in the form of ratio. Ratios are called fractions. For example, some fractions are just like 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 2 by 5, 0.6, 0.8, etc. Friends, now we will discuss rational number. Now, what is rational number? Rational numbers are the numbers which can be represented in the form of p by q, which can be represented in the form of p by q. Rational numbers are the numbers which can be represented in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. Q should not be equal to 0. If q will be equal to 0, then it will be an indefinite form which is not defined in maths. Okay. Now our third condition will be p and q should be co-primes. It means their common factor will be 1 only. Only 1 should be their common factor. So that is the form of rational number. Okay. Some example of rational number are 2 by 3, 5 by 4, 5, 6, 7. Any integer value is also a rational number because it can be shown in the form of denominator 1. Okay, so these are the examples of rational number. Now we will take irrational number. Now we will take irrational numbers. The numbers which cannot be shown in the form of p by q. The numbers which cannot be shown in the form of p by q are irrational number. Examples of irrational number: all the values with square root, root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6. These all are irrational number, as well as pi. Pi is also an irrational number because the value of pi which we generally take is 22 by 7. It is not an exact value. That is not the exact value. That is the approximated value. That is approximate value which we take for easier calculation. Okay. That is approximate value. Generally we take it for the easier calculation. Okay. So these all for irrational number. Friends, now we will discuss real number. Real numbers. All the numbers which can be represented on the number line are called real numbers. All the numbers which can be represented on the number lines are called real numbers. Okay. Examples of some real numbers are 2, 3, -1, -5, all the positive, negative integers, as well as 0, pi, root 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 0.7, everything which can be shown on the number line is real number. Okay friends, now we will discuss some question of your book. Now question is that, is 0 a rational number? Okay, so we'll solve this question. Is 0 a rational number? So here we can write 0 as 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 0 by -1, 0 by -2, and so on. We can write any value in denominator. Okay. Now question is that, what is rational number? Anything which can be shown in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, q should not be 0, and p and q should be co-primes. Okay, so here we can see that 0 by 1 is also a form of p by q, 0 by -1 is also a form of p by q, 0 by 2, 0 by -2, 0 by 3, 0 by -3. These all are in the forms of p by q. Okay, so we can say that 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. Now take second question. Now our second question is that, find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Here the numbers are 3 and 4. Okay. We need to find 6 rational number. 6 rational number. So we will take a bigger number than 6. Okay. A larger number than 6. That is 7. 7 is greater than 6. Okay. Now we will multiply the number 7 in number 3 as well as in number 4 multiply with number 7 and divide with number 7. Multiply with number 7 and divide with number 7. Okay, so we will get 21 by 7 and 28 by 7. Okay, now here we will see 6 rational number between 3 and 4, that is 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7 and 27 by 7. These are the 6 rational number between 3 and 4. Okay. Okay, my dear friends. So today that's it from my side.